How to fix Avast product not activated on Mac. Note, instructions in this section apply to the following products: Avast Security Pro, Avast Secure Line VPN and Avast Cleanup Pro. To troubleshoot activation issues, refer to the following sections in sequence. Retrieve a copy of your license. If you experience any issues during the activation process using either a license file or an activation code, retrieve a copy of your license from the Avast website or your Avast account to exclude the possibility that the issue is caused by the license itself. Activate your product. After you have retrieved a copy of your license, refer to the following articles according to your product to activate it: Avast Security Pro, Avast Secure Line VPN, Secure Line VPN Multi-Device, Avast Cleanup Pro, Avast Cleanup Multi-Device. If you are still experiencing activation issues, continue to follow the instructions below. Reinstall your product and activate it again. Uninstall your Avast product by following the steps in the instructions below according to your product: Avast Security Pro, Avast Secure Line VPN, Avast Cleanup Pro. Install your product by following the steps in the articles below according to your product: Avast Security Pro, Avast Secure Line VPN, Avast Cleanup Pro. Activate your product again. Troubleshoot issues. Renewal. If you have a question or an issue related to the order or renewal of your Avast product, refer to the following article: Orders, Renewals, and Refunds, Frequently Asked Questions.